If MSN keeps showing up on your computer, the good news is that you usually do not need to uninstall a program to get rid of it. MSN is not really a standalone app that lives on your PC like regular software. It is usually tied to your browser, your start page, your newsfeed, or system widgets. So in this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to remove MSN from your browsing experience by changing a couple of important settings in Microsoft Edge. This is a quick fix, it is safe, and it only takes a few minutes. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tips just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, let's deal with the MSN newsfeed that can appear when you open a new tab in Edge. Open Microsoft Edge and click on a new tab. In the top right corner of the page, you should see a small gear icon. Click that gear icon to open the page layout options. Once the settings panel appears, scroll down until you find the content section. This is where Edge decides what kind of news, articles, and MSN-related content shows up on your start page or new tab page. Under Content, change the setting to Content Off. This disables the newsfeed, which is usually the part that makes MSN appear every time you open a new tab. As soon as you switch that off, your new tab page should look a lot cleaner and far less cluttered. Now let's take care of the startup page, because MSN can also appear when Edge launches. To change that, click the three dots in the top right corner of Edge. From the menu, go to Settings. Inside Settings, find the section called Start, Home, and New Tabs. This is where you control what opens when the browser starts, what your home button does, and what happens with new tabs. Under the option that says When Edge Starts, select Open a specific page. After selecting that option, click Add a new page. In the box that appears, type in google.com or any clean website you actually want to see when the browser opens. You can also use your favorite search engine or homepage instead. The key idea is to replace the MSN page with something more useful and less distracting. Once you save that setting, close Edge completely and reopen it to test the change. If everything was set correctly, Edge should now open your chosen page instead of MSN. If MSN still appears in new tabs, go back and double check that the content setting is turned off and that your startup page is set correctly. These two changes are the main fix for most people who want to remove MSN from their computer experience. And remember, you are not really deleting MSN like a normal app. You are removing the places where MSN shows up inside your browser and turning off the features that bring it back. That means no more unwanted newsfeed, no more MSN-style new tab page, and a much cleaner browsing setup overall. If you want, you can also review your browser extensions and remove anything that changes your start page or search experience, because sometimes extra add-ons can bring MSN back. But for most users, the steps in this video are enough to fix the problem. So to quickly recap, first turn off the newsfeed by opening a new tab, clicking the gear icon, scrolling to Content, and selecting Content Off. Then go into Edge Settings, open Start, Home, and New tabs. Choose Open a specific page and add a page like google.com. That's it. You've now taken control of your browser and removed the MSN presence from your everyday setup. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more easy computer fixes, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.